Hello, kids!
Welcome to Smart Sprout.
Today, we are going to learn about a very special day of our country. Republic Day. What is Republic Day? Kids, Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January every year. On this day in 1950, India got its own constitution.
A constitution is a big rule book.
It tells how our country should run and how people should live happily together. Why is Republic Day important? Republic Day tells us that India is a free country. The people of India choose their own leaders. This day reminds us that everyone is equal, rich or poor, boy or girl, big or small. What does Republic Day teach us? Republic Day promotes unity. We all live together as one family. Equality. Everyone has same rights. Freedom. We can speak and live freely. Respect for our country. How do we celebrate Republic Day? We see a grand parade in New Delhi. Soldiers, dancers, and school children perform.
We sing the national anthem with pride.
Message for kids. Love your country. Follow rules. Help others. And be kind. You are the future of India. Outro. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Smart Sprout. See you in the next learning video.